This video will explain how a Resin 3D printer works. Resin 3D printing is an additive layer manufacturing process that uses liquid photopolymer resin and light to create three-dimensional objects. A Resin 3D printer starts by placing a build plate onto the platform and attaching it to the Z-axis stepper motor. This is where the object will be printed. Next, we pour liquid photopolymer resin into a vat located at the base of the machine. The process begins with an ultraviolet light source, focused on a thin layer of the liquid photopolymer resin in the vat. The light selectively cures only areas that correspond to your 3D model's design, forming each layer of your object one at a time until it's finished. As each layer is cured, the Z-axis stepper motor raises by a specified layer height and another layer of resin is exposed to the light source. When all layers of your object have been cured, it's ready to be removed from the platform and post-processed. Post-processing usually involves washing the object in a chemical bath to remove any uncured resin, and then curing it again with an ultraviolet lamp to harden it further. Finally, you can paint and finish your 3D printed object as desired. If you'd like to learn more about Resin 3D printing, please visit the links in the description. Thanks for watching.